Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are safe at home and welcome to Time to Learn. Friends, in this Android animation series, we completed rotate and blink animations in Android Studio for image. In this tutorial, we will see how to zoom in image in Android Studio. So let's start our tutorial. For that, we will start with a new project. Click on File, then select a new, then select New Project. So if you want to see the interface of Android Studio, I will provide iCard. You can check from there. Now select empty activity, then click on next. Give application name. I will give as image animation. Package name, it is not required now. If you want to see how to start new project, I will provide a video in the iCard. You can check from there. So minimum API level, I will select 20. If you select 20, you can run on approximately 94.1% of devices. Then click on finish. Loading project. Please wait a while to complete this. Now project is loading. Here Gradle build is running. So please wait while. Here you can observe Gradle sync finished in 1 minute. So after that, select this activity underscore main.xml file. So select split to get a code and design. If you get any error like unresolved class main activity, so rebuild project to resolve the error. After rebuilding also you are getting the same error. For that, go to file, expand it, then select invalidate caches and restart. Then select it, invalidate and restart. Our Android Studio will close. We need to start it again. After doing invalidate caches and restart, you won't get any error unresolved class main activity. Now delete this constant layout, add linear layout. Now delete this text. Now here in linear layout we need to add gravity, only gravity. Delete this layout, gravity to center. Now orientation vertical. Now we need to add image view and button. Add image view and height and width. Copy this to height and width. So give width as a 100 dp, then height also 100 dp. Now give ID for that. Android ID is equals to @ID, okay, image view. Now source for that, and Android source src is equals to the data bitmap /ic underscore launcher uncher. Here you can observe image like Android symbol. If you want to change it, so go to app, right click, then select new, select image asset, select it. Here we need to select image. Inside desktop logo, select it, and if you want to crop, yes. Okay, time to learn. If you want to add background, go here, then color to white. Okay, then click on next, then click on finish. Now you can observe that the image was changed here. Now close that image view. Now add a button. Width for that button is Android layout underscore width is equals to wrap content wrap underscore content and height layout underscore height is equals to, it's also wrap content. Now id equals to dot id button. Here we need to give text for that button, so Android text is equals to, so we are dealing with the zoom, so zoom in. Now close this button tag. Now we need to create an animation file, so for that click on this res folder, then right click, select a new, then select directory. Here we need to give animation folder name, so anim is animation shortcut, then enter. Here you can observe that animation folder, right click on that, then select a new, then create a animation resource file, click on that. Now give name for that, so zoom in, then click on OK. Here inside this set we need to give animation code, so we are dealing with a zoom. For that, scale from X scale 1.0, from Y scale also 1.0, then to X scale 2.0, next to Y scale to 2.0, then duration, your Android duration is equals to 600 milliseconds, so 600 milliseconds. Then pivot X and Y, so pivot X is equals to 50%, that means it will zoom from center, and pivot Y is equals to 50%. Then close it, and now go to main activity.java file. Here we need to call our image and button, image view, semicolon, then button semicolon, and animation then semicolon. Here in this onCreate method, here we need to find that image and button, so image view is equals to find view by id or dot id dot image view. This id from this activity underscore main.xml file, and button also, button is equals to find view by id or dot id dot button. We need to perform zoom in animation after clicking on this button. So button dot set on click listener new view on click listener. Here we need to give animation file and animation for that image. So animation equals to animation utils dot load animation. So get application context comma r dot anim dot so zoom in. Now semicolon image view dot start animation. Okay friends, this is up to code. Now we need to run in our device. If you want to see how to run application in our physical device, I will provide iCard. You can see from there. After connecting physical device, click on this play icon to run application in our device. So here you can observe that my device Vivo 9020. Here you can observe that Gradle build is running. So wait a while to complete that installation. Here you can observe that in build successful in 2 minutes. Here you can see that how the interface is. Click on this zoom in button to zoom in image. If you want to repeat that zoom, we can also use repeat mode and repeat count there to zoom. Okay friends, in our next tutorial we will see how to zoom out image in Android Studio. I hope you like this video and share with your friends. Stay safe and stay at home. Okay friends, I will come with another video. Thank you for watching.